Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add indicators in TradingView. If you're new to TradingView, indicators help you analyze price movements and identify possible trading opportunities. Let's get started. In TradingView you can choose any market, Forex, crypto, stocks, it works the same way. Once your chart is open, look at the top toolbar and find indicators and click on it. This opens the indicators library. Here you'll find thousands of indicators available. Don't worry, you only need a few to start. In the search bar, type the name of an indicator. For this tutorial, I will say let's add the Relative Strength Index or RSI. Click on it and immediately the indicator appears on your chart. That's it, the indicator is now added. Next step, I don't particularly like the way this indicator looks. Let's adjust the indicator settings. I want you to hover over it and right click and click on settings. Here there are many different options that you can customize, but what I want to do here is I want to make the indicator more visible. So I want the RSI line to be a little bit better. So I will make it thicker and I'll change the color to something more like this one. Now the yellow line, which is the RSI based moving average, it's not really visible here. So again, I will click here and I will make this line thicker and I'll change the color of the line. Let's say this one. This is much more visible. And then click on OK. Visually, I find this is easier to see than the previous color adjustments. Next, you can add more than one indicator to TradingView. Just click on Indicators again, and this time we can choose another indicator. I suggest we add a moving average. So we can type in MA for short, and I will add a simple moving average to the chart. Close this. Here's the moving average. At this moment, it just goes along with the price. Let's tweak it a little bit. Right click on it, click on settings. I didn't get it. So here I have to highlight click on the moving average, then right click on it, click on settings. This is the simple moving average menu. I will make this line a little bit thicker. I'll add a different color, perhaps this one, yes. And what I want to do is I want to change the actual input. So instead of having a 9-period moving average, I'll make it a 100. 100-period moving average. And basically what this means is that if the price is above the moving average, it's an uptrend. If the price is below the moving average, it's a downtrend. And here's a quick tip to get started. You don't need a lot of indicators. Many people add too many indicators and the chart becomes confusing very quickly. A good starting point is using 2 to 3 indicators. And you can try combining different types of indicators, such as a trend indicator, which I have added here. It is the moving average. And the purpose of this type of indicator is to understand the market direction. The other types of indicators are oscillator indicators, like the RSI that I have added here. And this is to help you spot momentum or overbought and oversold areas. And optionally, you could also try a volume-based indicators. There are many different to choose from, and even there are some indicators such as the money flow index, which is entirely based on the volume. But let's just add one, for example. And now we have a volume indicator, an oscillator indicator, and a trend indicator. Okay, we can adjust this a little bit like so, like so. Now this gives you different perspectives of the overall market conditions without overloading your chart. Remember, simple charts are usually better charts. And if you want to remove an indicator, just hover your mouse over it, right click on it and remove. And that's how you add indicators in TradingView. If this helped you, consider subscribing for more TradingView tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.